So no matter whether we're direct blood or not, once we accept each other, then we're family. She had to actually show me how to drink my little juice, see, because the straw has the little hole in the top. You had to show me. Look. So she had to show me where to put the little hole, the straw in the little hole, because Uncle Ivan didn't know. She calls me Uncle Handsome. Handsome. Welcome back. I am Kamau, the journey. So I'm back in the village today, hanging out in Tung. If you saw my last video, um, I interviewed my friend from Tung, the school teacher, and actually I'm back there again. I'm gonna actually do an interview with her niece, so that should be really, really interesting. I hope you guys will stay tuned for the part 2 of how to meet beautiful Isan women from Thailand, and believe me, they are beautiful. So, but I'm at one of my friend's house, hanging out here with my little niece. See, and here's the thing with me, because I come from African culture, right? Um, our extended family is still our family. So no matter whether we're direct blood or not, once we accept each other, then we're family. She had to actually show me how to drink my little juice, see, because the straw has the little hole in the top. You had to show me. Look. So she had to show me where to put the little hole, the straw in the little hole, because Uncle Ivan didn't know. She calls me Uncle Handsome. Handsome. That's what she calls me. It's so cute. So yeah, hanging out with them today. They're in there fixing something to eat right now, and we're gonna enjoy. Yes, it is Thailand. Yes, it is just a little bit hot. I talked to my nephew the other night. He said that Las Vegas was like 119 degrees. Wow. I can't even imagine. Vegas is, yeah, has always been hot. I don't miss it, but Thailand is hot too, you know. Not as hot, but you can see that I'm sweating. Say hello, say hi, say hi, say hi, say hi, sawadee, say sawadee ka. Women say ka. See? You see her bow the head like that? That's what they do, is respect, you know. So I love that. So anyway, one thing I wanted to comment on is I actually reached over 200 subscribers, and that's what I wanted to comment on. And listen, I am so happy. I'm happy. I don't have 1,000 subscribers, and it's okay. You have to start somewhere, you know. Hopefully, I will continue to this journey, and also try and make some content that's really cool, and that's useful. Okay, and that's what it's all about. But yeah, at the basic level, it's just about my journey here in Thailand, my experiences. That's what it's about. Okay, it's about meeting the local people, and learning their culture and their language. And I was just having a conversation today about the plan, and how I would pursue this. Hello, come say hello. Come say hello. Come say hello. This is my friend. This is her daughter. See, good people, good people. They're such good people, sweet people. That's goon. Um, so they're in there making some food. So I wanted to comment on just reaching 200 subscribers. I really appreciate that. And like I said, hopefully we'll keep growing the channel, and keep doing some really cool things. She wants me to drink my juice, so I'll continue to drink my juice. But hey, keep it positive, guys. Hey, keep it positive. I'm all about that good energy. I'm not about that. To be clear and honest, I'm not about that bullshit. Okay, I'm about living a good life. in a lot of my videos, I will say, hey, have a good life. And I mean that. Do whatever it takes in your life, man, to just get rid of that negative energy. And there's always that negative. I heard somebody talking about the negatives and the positives, and that's what we're made of. Atoms, right? The negative and the positive. Same thing in our everyday lives. There's a negative and there's a positive. You can wake up in the morning and be totally positive and then encounter something during the day that takes you into the negative. So those are the powers that we have to prevail against, all of those negative powers and negative energies in our day to day that just provide obstacles. But you know what? They're just obstacles. We can overcome them and we can move forward. We can grow and make our lives better. There's always a path. There's a path for all of us. We're no different. We come into this world the same, naked. We go out of this world the same, naked. So no one's better than the other, right?
ดูนี่นะ Thả ra cậu như vậy.